Just another fun video, another fun video for you. Just another fun video, another fun video for you. Hello everyone. Today we are going to take on the huge task of organizing under my kitchen sink. So get yourself a coffee or a snack and let's get to organizing. This cute little turntable, slidable tray, and slide-out bins were all purchased from Target, my favorite store.
What you doing, buddy? What's going on? What's happening? You gonna help me? You're so cute. I love you.
Delightful. I got these stackable trays from the Dollar Tree. They are so convenient for when I need to take cleaning supplies upstairs or into any other location in the house that needs cleaning. Well, everyone, this is the finished product. What do you think? I hope you enjoyed this video. I sure enjoyed making it for you. Have a wonderful and blessed day.
It's another fun video. It's another fun video for you.